Form GSTR 3B. Through this return, the taxpayer declares a summary of how much GST is to be paid in the concerned tax period. Now, if there is no business activity in the relevant tax period and there is no tax liability, then in such a situation, nil return of GSTR 3B is filed. Let us see how we can file nil return of GSTR 3B on our own. To file GSTR 3B nil return, first log in into your GST account through the GST site gst.gov.in. A page like this opens on entering the URL gst.gov.in. Click on Login. This will take you to login page. Enter all the details like username, password and CAPTCHA. After that, click on Login. This will take you to the next page. A top-up will appear. Click on Remind Me Later. Now on the page you will see the returns calendar. On the returns calendar you can check which return is due to be filed. Like it is showing here in the last cell of row of GSTR 3B, the return status of July 2021 is written as to be filed. The return that has been already filed on those cells, it is written as filed. Now, if you place the cursor on the to be filed cell, then the last date of filing return will also be displayed. Now we move on the next step of filing the return. Click on Services menu given in the top row. Then click on Returns and then click on Returns Dashboard. This will open the File Return page. Click on the cell at the bottom of Financial Year menu and select the appropriate year. Select the quarter for which GSTR 3B is to be filed. Then click on the appropriate period for which the return is to be filed. Then click on Search. This will open a new page containing all the details of return filing. As you can see at the bottom of the page, there is a tab on which details of GSTR 3B are given. Due date is also mentioned. Click on Prepare Online button. This will take you to next page. Here the conditions of filing nil return are given. If you fulfill these conditions, then only you are eligible to file nil return for that tax period. The first condition is that you have not made any outward supplies during the relevant tax period. This means if you have not done any business activity or sales in the relevant tax period. And if you have not received any inward supply, that is, no purchase of any goods or services. And the third condition is that you do not have any liability for the relevant tax period. If you fulfill all these three conditions, then click on Yes Radio button. The button will turn green and then click on Next to proceed. The system generated summary for GSTR 3B will appear on the screen. Click on Close. Next page will open. Here you can download system generated GSTR 3B by clicking on System Generated GSTR 3B, and by clicking on Preview Draft GSTR 3B, you can download the summary page of GSTR 3B for your review. Though both the options are not very relevant for filing nil return, tick the checkbox for declaration given on the page. Then click on the Select option given below and select the name of the taxpayer. After selecting the name, file GSTR 3B with EVC and file GSTR 3B with DSC will be enabled and its color will be darkened. Click on File GSTR 3B with EVC to file with OTP. If any late fee is due, notification pop-up will appear, otherwise this screen will come up. Here you have to enter the OTP received on the registered phone number of the taxpayer and the registered email ID of the taxpayer. After entering the OTP, click on Verify button. Next, filing successful pop-up will come. Press the OK button. To verify whether the return has been filed or not, you can log in to the GST site and view it in the returns calendar as well as in the services returns menu and track return status. Thank you.